Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Music Unlimited. To get started, first, open the Amazon Music app or visit the Amazon Music website. You'll need an Amazon account to sign up. Once logged in, choose your desired subscription plan, such as the individual, family, or single device option. After subscribing, you gain immediate access to millions of songs, ad-free, and can begin exploring the vast library of music available at your fingertips. Once you're subscribed, navigating the music library is straightforward. Use the prominent search bar at the top to find specific artists, songs, or albums. You can also browse by genre, mood, or activity. Don't forget to check out the Browse section for new releases, top charts, and thousands of expertly curated playlists. Many tracks are available in HD and Ultra HD, offering superior sound quality for an immersive audio journey. Personalizing your Amazon Music experience is simple and rewarding. You can easily create custom playlists by adding individual songs or entire albums. For listening on the go, download your favorite tracks directly to your device, allowing you to enjoy music without an internet connection. If you have an Alexa-enabled device, simply use voice commands to play music, skip tracks, or even request specific genres, making your listening experience incredibly convenient and hands-free. To enhance your experience further, explore advanced features. If you have multiple users, a family plan allows up to 6 members to enjoy separate accounts. Dive into spatial audio tracks, available in formats like Dolby Atmos and 360 reality audio for a truly immersive sound. Remember, you can manage your subscription details, including upgrading or canceling, directly through your Amazon account settings, giving you full control over your music service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.